Hello guys, welcome back. Right here is a new USD quantitative trading website. So the account creation phase is here right here, guys. So the link is provided in the description box of this video. Just click, just enter your email right here, your login password, you confirm your login password, you enter security password, you confirm it, my invitation code right here, you click on register to create your account. So I will just log in my account and show you guys how this USD quantitative earning website works, guys. So guys, this is the home page of this USDT quantitative earning website. So first things first, you can see on my balance I have about 10 USDT on my balance, guys. So to start here, you need to make a deposit of 10 USD for you to be qualified for the VIP1. So to recharge, before I show you guys the VIP levels, I will show you guys how to recharge. First of all, just click on where it says recharge right here. So clicking on the recharge icon right there, they will provide you with all the available recharge icons and available recharge network. You just have to choose the one of your choice and you make a deposit successfully, guys. So on the recharge page right here, you need to choose the recharge network of your choice. So once you do that, all you have to do is to just take, for instance, if you choose USD BEP20, they will generate the USD BEP20 address for you together with the QR code. All you have to just copy this code right here, this address right here, make payment 10 USD minimum deposit, and once you are done, you come back and click on where it says recharge complete. You can as well scan this QR code to make payment successfully. So that is how to recharge successfully on this website. So after you must have recharged successfully, come back to where it says quantify. So coming to the quantify button right here, this is where you're gonna see all the VIP levels on this website. So you can see currently I am on VIP1. So to earn on this website, you need to make a deposit. I've already shown you guys how to deposit. So you just have to scroll down here. So you can see right here, you can see currently I'm on VIP1, my current level. You can see you're gonna earn 20% of your deposit amount if you're on the VIP1, which is the minimum deposit here is 10 USD for the VIP1. It will last for 80 days. So for the VIP2 right here, you need to make deposit 100 USD to be earning. You get 21% of your deposit amount every single day, guys. So for the VIP3 right here, you deposit 300 USD to be earning 22% of your deposit amount every single day. So to unlock, you choose the VIP level of choice and recharge. I have shown you guys how to make a recharge. So to quantify, you come where it says quantify. You can see this button right here. Click on where it says start quantify. The AI will quantify for you and your reward will be given to you successfully, guys. So you can see my reward for today, 2 USD have been successfully withdrawn. So that is how to quantify on this website to earn. Another way to earn, you just click on this invite friends right here. Just copy your referral link, share it to your family and friends, and once you restart using your link, you're going to be earning massively for referring those individuals to this website, guys. So you can see your unique referral link, just copy it and share it, and boom, you are good to go. So to withdraw your earnings, you just come back where it says home. So coming to the home button right here. So on the withdrawal page right here, you can see the available withdrawal amount to be reflected right here, and there are two withdrawal methods, USD BEP20 and TRC20. So you just have to input the amount you want to withdraw right here. You enter your USD BEP20 address, enter your security password, click on confirm, and withdrawal will be successful, guys. So I've already withdrawn my reward for today. So I'll click on this history right here, and you guys will see my withdrawal, and I'll as well go to my history on my account, and I'll show you guys that the withdrawal came through successfully, guys. So guys, you can see that there's a withdrawal deduction of 2 USDT successfully, guys. So I withdrew this amount. So as this site paid me, I gave it the thought that I should share it with you guys, so you guys can follow me and let's earn effectively on this USDT quantitative earning website. So guys, this is a deposit confirmation, and this is to verify that this payment has been received successfully, guys. This is an email sent to me from Bybit. So you can see, dear value Bybit trader, your deposit has been confirmed. Deposit amount 2 USD, chain type BEP20, and this is the address right here. You can see 8th of March 2025, guys. So to show you that this payment has been received successfully, guys. So guys, thank you all, guys. See you guys in my next video.